Hello, my name is Christian Malagon, the engineer industrial student. The question selected for me is the number 3. What do you want to work for this company? To be honest, Komiei was your focus on growth. I was really impressed with your ambitious goals and the clear plan you have for achieving those goals. I find the operational security plan very interesting. Of course, I'm very much agreement with the use for the clean technologies which are proposed in this company. I also like to support your profile your employees. I love your continuing education initiatives. Will you pay for employees to educate themselves in new techniques and skill sets? I think that really helps to build employee satisfaction and loyalty, as it is very important for your growth as individual and as company. Thanks for listening for me.